Yeah, you may also be asked to do calculations on energy value of the various nutrients that are present in the food samples. In this case, you do the same arrangement. Take, for example, you are given that somebody consumed or an individual consumed 40 grams of fish, for example. Where are you going to locate fish on the food composition table? You move to fish and fish products. Once you get the food group heading fish and fish products, you now move to the type of fish, whether it was fried, smoked, or boiled. Once you see the particular type of fish that was asked, it can be fillet fish, it can be mackerel. Once you get to it, you now follow it and read the value that is on the table. If, for example, you discover that the fish has, for example, 30 grams or 10 grams of proteins, and they ask you to calculate the energy value of protein gotten from that fish. So you know that that fish that you have eaten, 100 grams of it is providing 10 grams of protein. So if you eat that fish and they ask you to calculate the energy value that that fish will give to the individual, you will now take it, if it is in kilocalories. Carbohydrates and proteins provide 1 gram of carbohydrates and proteins provide 4 kilocalories. 1 gram of fat, 9 kilocalories, and 1 gram of alcohol, 7 kilocalories. If you are working in kilojoules, 1 gram of carbohydrate and protein provides 17 kilojoules. 1 gram of fat provides 38 kilojoules, and 1 gram of alcohol provides 29 kilojoules. So you will just get the value you have on the food composition table. If for protein in kilocalories, you multiply by 4, that's the energy contribution of carbohydrates. The value you get for proteins, you multiply by 4, that will be the energy contribution from proteins. And the value you get for fats, you multiply by 9, that will be the energy contribution for fats in terms of kilocalories. If you are working with kilojoules, the value you read on the table for carbohydrates, you multiply by 17. The value you read for proteins, you multiply by 17. And the value you read for fats, you multiply by 38, and you will get the energy contribution in kilojoules. Now, these questions, you need to show you are working in all stages of the answer. In subsequent